in this video, we'll show you how to delete your account in Limbus Company. First of all, you need to open the game. When you open the game, you need to go to the settings in the top right corner and you need to click the settings again. After that, you will find the account in the left menu and you need to scroll all the way down, and under unlink account, you will find close account. You need to click on it, and before you will delete your account, please read this note. If you close the account, all the gameplay and purchase date will be deleted. You will be given a 7-day grace period. You can restore the account if you sign in before the end of this period. So if you agree to the terms above, please enter the letters you see in the box. So letters are Limbus Company. You need to write like this and click the confirm button. After that, you will delete your account, but you will be given a 7-day grace period, guys. Anytime in the 7 days, you can restore your account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.